This is me, Kullip Kalita. I'm going to start the trigonometric section from class 10. Today, the first part of our basic introduction about the trigonometry. Part 1. In part 1, we'll going to discuss some point of views from the trigonometry. Suppose, what is called trigonometry? Trigonometry. What it means? If we distribute this word, we'll get three parts. Okay, tri or tri, gonna, and metry. Okay, so tri means three, gonna means sides, it refers to sides, and metry means measure. So ultimately three sides measure. This is the meaning of trigonometry. Okay, যদি মই অসমীয়াত ক'ব যাওঁ, trigonometry মানে হ'ল tri means 3 তিনি, gonna means sides, metry means measure. Okay, I will use two languages, Assamese and English both, for CBSE and SEBA students. Okay, now if we go to that this term three sides measure, then one thing comes to our mind, which is Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? First of all, Pythagoras theorem is all about a right angle triangle. Suppose we'll take this right angle triangle as ABC. Okay, where B is the right angle or 90 degree. The 90 degree angle is called right angle. Okay, বা অসমীয়াত কয় এইটো যিটো কোণৰ মান 90 degree, that angle is called সমকোণ বা right angle. Okay, so if this is 90 degree, then this is called base. Okay, in short we can represent it as small b. Okay, this is called perpendicular. Small p. Okay, and this is called hypotenuse. Okay, so this is represented as h, small h. আৰু অসমীয়াত যদি ক'ব যাওঁ, এইডালক আমি লম্ব বুলি কওঁ, লম্ব। আৰু এইটো বেছক, এই যিডাল তলৰ লাইন আছে এইডালক ভূমি বুলি কওঁ। আৰু এইডাল লাইন আছে, এইডাল ইয়াৰ পৰা কৰ্ণাৰ, মানে কি তো কৰ্ণ, ঠিক আছে, কৰ্ণ বা অতিভুজ বুলি কয়। অতিভুজ। Okay, once again I want to repeat it. In this right angle triangle, মানে সমকোণ ত্ৰিভুজটোৰ যিডাল লাইন ভাৰ্টিকেলি থাকিব, মানে থিয় হৈ থাকিব, সেইডাল কম পাৰপেণ্ডিকুলাৰ বা লম্ব। আৰু যিডাল তোমাৰ ভূমিত লাগি থাকিব, মানে মাটিত লাগি থাকিব, সেইডাল তলৰডাল, দিছ ইজ কল্ড বেছ বা ভূমি। আৰু যিডাল মানে কৰ্ণাৰলি থাকিব, সেইডাল কম আমি হাইপটেনিয়াছ বা অতিভুজ। এতিয়া এই তিনিটা ছাইডৰ কথা ইয়াত মেনশ্যন কৰিছে, থ্ৰী ছাইডছ মেজাৰ। So this is the three sides. So we have to measure this three sides, and we will do the all calculations about this or related with this three sides measurement. Okay, from this triangle, right angle triangle, we'll get to know some some ratios. What kind of ratios it is? See, this topic is known as, sorry for that, actually I am doing this all in the copy, plain copy, that's why it may be some disturbances. Trigonometric ratio বা অসমীয়াত কয় এইটো trigonometric অনুপাত. Okay, A, B, C. So this is 90 degree, which is right angle. We'll do the all trigonometric ratios about an angle. মানে আমি গোটেই ৰাইট এংগল সমকোণ ত্ৰিভুজটোৰ গোটেই ৰেচিঅ'বিলাক অনুপাতবিলাক এটা কোণক কেন্দ্ৰ কৰি আমি ল'ম. দেট এংগল ইজ, বা সেই কোণটোক আমি থিটা বুলি ধৰিছোঁ. ছাপ'জ উই ডোণ্ট ন' দিছ এংগল, এই এংগলটোৰ বা এই কোণটোৰ কিমান জোখ আমি নাজানো, মেজাৰমেণ্ট কিমান আমি নাজানো, সেই এংগলটোক থিটা বুলি ধৰি ল'ম. এতিয়া আমি যদি আহোঁ, আমি জানো যে এইডালক পাৰপেণ্ডিকুলাৰ পি বুলি কয়, পি, এইডালক বি আৰু এইডালক এইচ, মানে পাৰপেণ্ডিকুলাৰ লম্ব, বেছ ভূমি, আৰু এইচ মানে হাইপটেনিয়াছ. এতিয়া আমি আহিছোঁ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ট্ৰিগনমেট্ৰিক ৰেচিঅ' নাম্বাৰ 1. এতিয়া চব গোটেইকেইটা ৰেচিঅ' কি হ'ব, গোটেইকেইটা অনুপাত এই থিটাটোক কেন্দ্ৰ কৰি হ'ব. Okay, all ratios will be in the basis of this angle, okay, which is theta. So we will write the ratios as sin theta. We have to write the ratios in this way, sin theta. Okay, this is called theta. We don't know the value of theta, that's why we will take this value as theta. Sin theta means what? It is the ratio. What is the ratio? The perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, sin theta মানে হল perpendicular লম্ব by ভূমি, sorry লম্ব by অতিভুজ, p by h, লম্ব by অতিভুজ, p by h, perpendicular by height, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means AB by AC, means AB by AC. Okay, sin theta. This is sin theta. Okay, now let us take some numbers opposite to these lines. If this measurement is suppose 4 centimeter, if this is 5 centimeter, and if this is 6 centimeter, then if we have to find the value of sin theta, then what we will get? Sin theta is equal to p by h, that means AB by AC, which is equal to 4 by 6. This is the trigonometric ratio 2:3, that means 2:3. This is sin theta. Clear? This is the first ratio. Second ratio is cos theta. Cos theta means b by h. B by h is equal to, b means this BC, h means AC, that means 5 by 6. Okay, sin theta is p by h, cos theta means p by h, bas. Okay, simply base by hypotenuse, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is the first two. Now coming to this third, which is tan theta. Third ratio, it is third ratio. Okay, tan theta we can get P by B. In tan theta, H is not there. P by B. Perpendicular by base. P by B. Lamba by Fumi. So tan theta. P by B means AB by BC. Also you can write it. Also you can write tan theta is equal to, tan theta is the ratio of sin theta by cos theta. If we put the sin theta here, if you put cos theta here, then we will get tan theta. Okay. So AB by BC means what? AB is 4. Okay, 4, and BC means 5. Perpendicular by base, that is 4 by 5. This is the tan theta third trigonometric ratio. Now next, fourth ratio. There are 6 ratios. Okay, fourth ratios is cot theta. Cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta means opposite of, means the reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal means 1 by tan theta. Okay. What was tan theta? Tan theta was what? P by H. Okay. Okay. I am showing this. Tan theta is P by H. And cot theta will be H by P. Opposite of tan theta is, or reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Tan theta was 4 by 5. That means 4:5. Okay, 4 by 5. So cot theta will be 5 by 4. Opposite. Okay. This is good to be remembered. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Opposite of means reciprocal of tan theta. If tan theta is 4 by 5, then cot theta is 5 by 4. Like that, fifth is opposite of, it is actually opposite of cos theta, that is sec theta. That is sec theta. Sec theta is the opposite of cos theta. Cos theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta means we know what? B by H. Okay. Previously, we have found out the value of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. This is 5 by 6. B by H. Na? Now, this becomes, the ratios will be H by B. Cos theta was B by H and sec theta will be H by B. Opposite. So, H was what? H was 6. And B was 5. 6 by 5. This is sec theta. Clear? Now 6. 6 is cosec theta. Cosec theta means reciprocal of sin theta. Okay? Sin theta was what? Sin theta was P by H. So it will be H by P. Cosec theta is H by P. H was what? 6. P was 4. 6 by 4. Opposite. 3, 2. 3 is to 2. That is cosec theta. Clear? So there are 6 ratios. I am repeating. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. After that, reciprocal comes. Reciprocal of tan theta is 1 by tan theta. That means equal to cot theta. Opposite is. Okay? P by H, tan theta was, and cot theta is H by P. Okay? H by P. And sec theta, reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. And cos theta was B by H, that's why sec theta is H by B, opposite. Now cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Since sin theta is P by H, then cosec theta is H by P. if h is 6, p is 4, then the ratio will be cosec theta ratio will be 6/4. That means 3/2, 3:2. That is the ratio. Okay, this is the basic trigonometric. This is the trigonometric ratios. These are the trigonometric ratios. 6 ratios are there. Okay, in the first part we have done the basic introduction, how trigonometry comes and for what purpose. After that we have got Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and after that we have got trigonometric ratios. Okay, in the next class, second class, we'll do a rule of trigonometry. Which is ASTC. We know that what is ASTC, but this time it is not Assam State Transport Corporation. This is all. Okay, this is sine, this is tan, and this is cos. All sine, tan, cos. This is ASTC rule in trigonometry. Okay, ASTC. So to be continued. So I will do this class in the second part of this video. Okay, so this is the basic introduction about trigonometry. You can see. Okay, so for any kind of query, you can WhatsApp me at 8876257990. This is your mentor, Kuldeep Kalita. I am from Educare Coaching Institute, Rangia. Just clear your doubt. To clear your doubt, WhatsApp us at this number. My name is Kuldeep Kalita. We are from Educare Coaching Institute, Rangia. Thank you.